And you have a story to tell, because my understanding is that in these recent days, everyone's working around the clock like crazy to serve patients in this age of Corona. And you had a specific problem which you needed a solution to.
We had, first of all, as you mentioned, we have a lot of issues which are, which we need to deal with a very short time. During Friday, in Israel, there was a change in the policy on how to conduct the coronavirus tests. We have a very huge lab, which is able to run many tests within a very short time. So we need to find a solution so we can get a test of our patients from all around the country, from many other labs. And we need to take those results and to insert them into our systems in order for us to give our patients the information that they have the corona.
How long would it, normally take you, and what kind of manpower would that require?
Probably if it was normally, I guess it would take us a month or two.
Wait a minute. So you managed to make a change in a healthcare IT system, which is of critical importance, basically serving Corona data, and hook it up to your core system. And you approached Kryon on Friday, and it's in full production by Monday?
Exactly. You phrased it well.
Wow! Harel, what kind of magic did you work? How does this happen?
First of all,
so basically, I've got a phone call from Daniel Ped, our VP of partnership, and he said, there is a crisis in Maccabi. They are looking for, they need to identify information or gather information from the Israeli government healthcare office, then identify all the relevant data, integrate it into Maccabi systems, and then make sure that they have all the required, identification or communication with their patients in order to bring that as fast as they can to their consumers or to their customers or patients eventually. So from that moment, I said to Daniel and the entire team, I said, guys, we are in, no matter, I don't care about, either cost, we'll do that. We need to make sure that it will be available in the market as fast as we can. We took a person from Germany, one of our professional services employees based in Germany. These days, again, maybe, a few words before that, these days, it's insane for the RPA, for Kryon RPA solution, because, these days when companies had to had dramatic cost reduction, they need to maintain the services while they had to either lay off people or, try to figure out how to maintain their activities while their employees are at home. Eventually, the RPA, or robotic process automation, which create an environment for virtual worker, it's, the demand is super high, everyone working around the clock to, provide solution for our customer. And I said, guys, stop. Beside of the other activities, we need to focus now on Maccabi situation, because eventually, it can help the entire, population in Israel.
It's going to save lives. But so your solution basically is a robotic process automation where bots basically go through the mountains of code and automatically configure this data so that it could be integrated fully in production for Maccabi's system. Guys, only in Israel does this kind of stuff happen.